Hey Elvis, I have got an assignment to write examples for each adverb type. Can you please help?
Yes, why not? There are 3 types of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place. Adverb of manner tells how an action occurs. For example, John drives carefully. How does John drive? Carefully. Adverb of time tells when an action occurs. For example, the results were announced yesterday. When were the results announced? Yesterday. Adverb of place tells where an action occurs. For example, in spring, flowers bloom everywhere. Where do flowers bloom? Everywhere. So, Emily, can you now list a few examples?
Yes. The children played happily with their toys. The teacher will give a test tomorrow. They will meet us near the park.
Very good, Emily. See, you're done with your homework.
Oh yes, all thanks to you.
If you like our videos, please do share and subscribe to our channel.